See that over there? This shit crazy. I want to welcome everybody to one of the most beautiful places in Puerto Rico, El Yunque. Look, you can see the clouds going by. With amazing winding trails all around the mountain, be sure to take in the sights. To breathtaking waterfalls hidden deep in the jungle. It's all here. A place for family, a place for friends, a place for fun. Be prepared to get a little dirty. Be prepared to sweat. I'm drenched right now. Made it to the top of El Yunque, very peak. You can see around, you can see the whole island. Be prepared to be amazed. Puerto Rico, El Yunque. So right here, we're driving up the mountain of El Yunque to get to the entrance. You'll start to feel the difference in altitude as you make your way to the top. My mother actually got a little nauseous from all the windy roads. Just a heads up. All right, so I'm here. It's just only reservation only, so if you don't have a ticket, you can't even come. I think it's up to 50 cars at a time. So this is the first waterfall. So as y'all can see behind me, this is one of the waterfalls in the rainforest. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to go up here, how they up there. Made it up here. I never even knew you could climb up here. I've been up here several times. I never got the chance to be over here. Dope. If you haven't already, make sure you like, drop a comment, share this video with a friend, and ring that notification bell. Let's go. It's your boy THELIFEOFCB. Now here to my left, which you guys can't see, there's actually a trail that'll take you up to the waterfall and down. But y'all already know me, man. I gotta do things my way.
Sit on your butt. You're not playing. You're doing it different now.
So throughout El Yunque, you'll find observation towers. It is here where you'll get some of the best views of the rainforest, as well as the city below. As you can see, it was a very beautiful day. Barely any clouds in the sky, and it was so hot. I do recommend come with a water bottle, bring your sunblock, you will need it. But I mean, look at these views, breathtaking. Oh yeah. Follow the trail, duck the tree, and voila, you've made it to another waterfall. Congratulations. As you can see, if you look off into the distance, we ran into other families enjoying themselves, having a good time as well. Have you guys ever had someone tell you to pose as if they were gonna take a picture, but really they were recording a video? That's what happened here. I know you're already inquiring, how was the temperature of the water? Yes, it was freezing cold, but on such a hot day like this, it was also very refreshing. I didn't have the proper attire, so I didn't go in. So make sure you bring swim trunks and towels. This is beautiful. I don't know what this is, a little waterfall, something. Nah, not me. So that, my friend, is another waterfall here in El Yunque. Right now, during COVID, you gotta buy your tickets in advance. They're only $2. It's kind of like a reservation fee. And bring your mask. They say to keep it on at all times, but a lot of this time you're gonna be secluded from other people, so you can catch a quick breath of fresh air. Yeah, man, and come over here. It's very beautiful. Make sure you bring water shoes. Make sure you bring swim trunks, a change of clothes, maybe even sunscreen. And always look down so you don't trip and stumble on a rock and tumble. Then you're gonna be in the doctor's mumbling with your stomach grumbling because you're eating through the tube, or because you wanted to do it for the tube, the YouTube, that is. Now, through El Yunque, you will find travel maps to guide you to your next destination. I highly recommend you wear comfortable shoes. As you can see, I'm wearing Jordans here. And for walking long distance, these are not comfortable at all. I love my Jordans, but don't do it. Go get you some comfortable shoes if you don't mind walking miles in. She said take the right. Almost there, they say. Almost there. And boom, we've made it to another watchtower. I don't know the exact name for what these are called, but they give me castle vibes. If you know, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. But man, I love this. I love the whole scenery. It makes me feel like I'm in medieval times. As you can hear, I'm out of breath. It was at this moment I said I need to get back in the gym. Hey, but don't judge me. Remember, I do this for y'all. Where do y'all want to see CB go next? And in just a couple more steps, you'll be greeted with this remarkable view. So make sure you have your cameras out. I'm drenched right now. Made it to the top of El Yunque, very peak. You can see around, you can see the whole island. At this point, you may be feeling a little tired, you may be feeling a little winded, but I promise, continue the journey onto the next destination. There's so much more in store for you to see, so much more for you to appreciate. Take my word for it. After you get your second wind, get ready to go the extra mile. The journey continues. Now here we are on our way to the highest peak of El Yunque, the Final. Watch your step, have your water bottle ready, and if you are watching this right now with your boy CB, get your popcorn ready, take in the beautiful sights. I do this for y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend who likes to travel as well. Joke, y'all boys. But if I do it, you can do it. If CB can do it, you can do it. If my mom can do it, you can do it, right?
That don't come out. Thank God I wore my shoes.
Y'all see this, like natural streams and all that? how high I am. It doesn't do no justice, y'all. Like, all the way up. Careful up here. Wow. Don't even come up here. There's not enough room. Don't come up here. Get down here. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the top, the very peak. You can literally see the clouds passing. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Now I'm not gonna talk your ear off, but if you've ever been to El Yunque and you've made it to the top, what were your thoughts? Did you enjoy yourself? Did you have a good time? If you haven't, is this something that you would like to do? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. So as y'all can see, there's like another one of these little forts type thing. You know? Look, you can see the clouds going by. At this point, I'm just gonna sit back and let the video do the explaining. You guys see what it is. One of Puerto Rico's most beloved places for travelers. I definitely hope you guys are enjoying this. Sit back, enjoy the peaceful music. Because the clouds are so close. Enjoy the views.
We're gonna go with this.
All right, y'all, so that actually concludes the walk to the top of El Yunque. The last spot that I showed y'all that I was like, oh, this is the top, it wasn't the top. We had to walk like another hour, but the views were on another level. I mean, we were so high, you could literally see the clouds come right beside you. It was so cool from the breeze. I'm a little winded. Now we got like an hour and a half or an hour walk back down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that the views look as marvelous in video as they did in person. This was shot on a mixture of the iPhone 12 Pro Max as well as the Osmo Mobile Pocket 2. I want to thank my second camera lady behind the camera. Hello. And with that said, man, I'll get down to the bottom. I'm going to go Loquillo Beach. I'm going to have me some cervezas. I'm going to have me some food. And I'm gonna relax. I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog at this point because my phone is just filled with so much stuff. I'm so hungry, I'm so tired. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you have that notification bell turned on. With that said, love y'all, man. Peace.